Today we're going to be in the 2025 Audi S3. So this is based on the Volkswagen GTI. Same 2.0 liter engine that you find in every other product out there, but this one's going to be tuned up to about 328 horsepower. And this is going to be the mid-tier of the A3, the S3, and the RS3. So RS3 would have been cool with the 5-cylinder, but S3. What we going to do now? We buckled up, we're going to hit the road. Gear selector's in the center. Flick it back with the finger. Gets us in our drive mode. And then we're off. So first thing I want to say about this suspension is it is very harsh. It is super stiff. So every bump you're going to feel, I'm going to start off, and actually I want to hit these curves real quick. Just a little curvy curve, see what it's feeling like. Our drive select mode is here. Gonna put it on dynamic. Oh, we can do a dynamic plus. Ooh, ESC, limited stability. All right, there we go. First time seeing that on there. These seats are comfortable. It's not really adjustable with the side bolstering, but it is enough of it. And this car will beat you up. Actually, let me just start off with, do I get the manual mode? I'll make it manual mode. I don't know. What gear am I in? Oh, there we go. Oh, we got pops. And this is going to be all-wheel drive. This car is very quick for what it is. It'll get you, man. I did not know this car was this fast. Hot diggity. But, woo, grips as well. Now the steering feel is something that I do feel that it is somewhat lacking. So let me dial it into a more normal mode, and we're gonna put the drive mode and comfort. We can talk about that for a minute here. I can feel the suspension did loosen up just a little bit, but is that going to make a difference? Not much. You're going to feel everything in the road. Whoops, about to feel this F-150 I'm about to have a head-on collision with. Took a big chunk of street out the road. Construction everywhere, swear to God. Well, this car, the EPA is going to rate it at 23 in the city, 31 on the highway. I've been averaging a good, 24.6, and had I not been driving around in individual mode, which I had it set up for a comfort suspension, steering I had it to hardcore. The steering feel won't help in any of the modes, the most aggressive engine setting and all-wheel drive setting. So that's my preferred way to go. It does have an automatic mode to where it can, I guess, choose what it feels is the best for you. Visibility in here is going to be great because since it has a somewhat of a traditional style to it, they can make it practical. Got headroom in the back, sunroof that opens up. I had an A5 that did not open up in the past, but I'm thinking about all these design language. I want to say they peaked around 2012, so the designs aren't as great as they used to be, in my honest opinion. As a daily driver, this car is going to be amazing. How could I not mention the price? That's going to turn a lot of you off. So the price of this is going to be $60,000. This is going to be fully loaded. It's got the Prestige package. That's going to be the top trim for Audis. And then it has the black optics package, which is going to have you blacked out pretty much everything on here. The badges, the emblems. I think the roof is black as well. Just going to add some nice design cues to it. No pun intended. And what I'm going to do now, go to my individual mode. The engine's about to get rowdy. And we're going to get on to the expressway. Little pocket rocket. Ooh. Felt some rotation in there. All right, Audi. I see you. I was not expecting that. then it's also going to be confidence inspiring because this car does have all-wheel drive. And then once again, this is only 300-ish horsepower, but we know German manufacturers like to underrate their horsepower. It does have some nice features in here too, like a head-up display. How many gears? In the manual mode, I'm only going up to 7, so I guess this is a 7-speed. Gonna switch it back to individual. Cruising on the highway, limited road noise. Like I said, the interior bits, some of them are cheap, but Audis to me, and I've driven, what have I driven? Like the SQ7, like they're not focused on luxury. They're more focused on technology. Like it has a wireless charger down here. My phone gets hot. It somewhat works. It's not the worst wireless charger that I have seen, but it's not the best as well. But when you step out the car, it'll let you know your phone is still in the wireless charger. That's some of those technological advancements that I do like in vehicles, especially this car, because I always forget my phone on that charger. And then it's just tech loaded everywhere. It has this thing where it estimates the time that a light is going to turn green. I think that's pretty cool. That thing be way off sometimes. It showed 90 seconds. I was pulling up to a light. I'm like, dog, that light not about to be 90 seconds long. These gears shift very fast. Exhaust sounds good too for a stock one. This car scoot. Oh, can we make this light? Yep. Got the brakes to stop too. Those bumpy roads. Woo. All right, handling. Steering on here is too vague for me. Not a whole lot of feedback. But it handles amazingly though. Get up and go is crazy as well. And I can't believe that this powertrain is this efficient. Like if you were on a road trip, I could imagine you would get like 40 miles per gallon or something crazy like that. And it's great. It has character. The powertrain has character. And it's no wonder why this car has won so many awards for its engine. Like the Awards Engine of the Year is one that it's been on that list time in and time out. Volkswagen, Audi, they know how to build this 2-liter engine. They've been doing it for eons, so that would explain why. Back in comfort mode, steering feel really doesn't improve, even though it's a more relaxed setting. But even in the more hardcore setting, I still don't care about the steering. But this car is comfy. Like I said, this chassis is too stiff. For 60 grand, they need to adjust that chassis. It's too stiff to be a car that's this expensive. I feel like a GTI or a Golf R. Have I driven a Golf R? Not this iteration, but I feel like those are a well sorted out suspension as opposed to these. And the competitors as well. It's like 60K, you're going to run across cars like not quite the M2 or the Blackwing, but the Integra Type S is going to be right there. And it's actually a bit cheaper, maybe 8-9 grand cheaper. What else might people cross shop? Maybe a Civic Type R, GR Corolla. It's kind of in those segments, but mainly in the luxury segment. Maybe the 2 Series Grand, whatever they had from BMW. Not the 2-door, but the 4-door version. And the Mercedes CLA. All of those are going to be they're just competitors. Let me go to that Dynamic Plus mode, though. That's exciting. That was a lazy shift. Woo, let me stop at this light. These brakes bite. For a 2-liter, this sounds amazing too. It's got the pops. That is right up my alley. I definitely love that from any car that does pops. So Audi did a great job implementing this car for the enthusiast as well as the person that wants to have a great daily driver. I will probably hold back on some of the options so you don't get this expensive. I do think that we are lacking some features that it should have at this price point, like maybe cooled seats. But man, that powertrain don't lag nowhere, no matter how you slice it. I think it's great. God dang. Yeah, whoever designed this transmission and engine tuning, spot on. That's where it's at. I can only imagine what the RS3 is going to be like, or even what the heck the A3 is like, what they got up in there. But fantastic choice. It's a bit expensive. If you're looking to save money, get a GTI, but solid transmission, powertrain. Space, no. It's tight up in that back seat. You might want to go to a S4 if you want more room than what this offers. But if you don't carry backseat passengers or you got shorter passengers in the back seat, I'm 6 feet, tight back there. So that's going to sum up today's video with the S3. So hopefully y'all enjoyed. If you got some questions, comments, drop them down below. Let me know what you're thinking, where your head at. So I want to know, and we'll talk it out in the comment section. But until next time, you all drive safe, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.